When a smart object is made, don't worry. It's very easy to step inside and make changes. And in fact, you can even step inside a smart object and export it as a whole new file, allowing you to save out the contents as its own Photoshop document. This means that you never really lose any of your work and you can pick up from any point in time. Let's explore the flexible options available to you. If you have a layer as a smart object, it's important to note that all the details are still contained within. You may recall that clicking on a smart object allows you to step inside. In this particular case, the smart object is a RAW file. So when I open this from Adobe Camera Raw or into Photoshop directly, I had the option with the Camera Raw dialog to open as a smart object. The benefit here is that I can continue to refine the development settings if needed. But there is a secondary benefit, and that is this. If you need to, you can choose Layer Smart Objects, and there's a whole dedicated menu, which includes the ability to not only edit the content or relink it to a new file in case you want to swap this out, but the ability to actually export the contents. What's nice about this is you can now export the raw file and save it out. This way you can hand it off to another application or work on it fresh. Another benefit, if you have used the file place command and used a linked object, is that you can force smart objects to convert all of the linked objects to embedded. Or if you need to save space and you're sure you have the original files on your disk, you can actually convert to linked. This works quite nicely and gives you flexibility. So if I choose Convert to Linked, it's going to give me the ability to save the internal object off and then link to this. This could be quite useful if this source file was used in multiple Photoshop documents. Now, I usually prefer the other way of placing something as an embedded graphic, but this way too, if you need to, you can select that object and convert it to an embedded one. So you can convert all linked objects to embedded. Just choose Embed All Linked and it will make the switch. So a lot of flexibility here over controlling how smart objects work. Just remember under the Layer menu, there's a dedicated Smart Objects menu that has several commands that you should explore. As you can see, smart objects are an important addition to your workflow. By combining them with other non-destructive technologies like adjustment layers and blending modes, it really puts you in control.